Hello everyone, welcome back here in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the sum of every nth arithmetic sequence of row in Excel. For example, here I have taken a small data, but in practical case the size of the data may be very big, like you have 1000 row or 10,000 row, and you want to get the total from every n sequence of row. Like in this example I am taking third row, but in your case it may be fifth row or seventh row, 10th row, 15th row or anything. So in this case we can do this calculation by combining four different functions. These are sum product, n, mode and row. So now go here in this cell and start writing the formula combination to calculate the sum of the every third row value. Press equal to, start with the sum product function, double click on the function to choose, then combine n function, open bracket, again combine the mode function, open bracket, and in the number of the mode function we have to combine the row function, row, open bracket, and in the reference of the row function select your first column range, then close the row function. Now after closing row function we have to subtract the extra row that is before the starting point of data. Here if you see, our data is starting from the row number 3, so there are two extra columns before the starting point of the data, so we have to subtract that. So here minus 2 means there are two extra row before the starting point of the data, so I subtracted -2 here, then give a comma, and in the divisor of the mode function we have to now give 3. I have given 3 here because I am going to get the total of third row. If you are going to get the total of 7th row, then here in the divisor you have to put 7. So the divisor here is the n sequence. Now close the mode function, then here press is equal to 0, then close the n function. Now this combination of n, mode and row will work as a array 1 in the sum product. Then give a comma, and in the array 2 of the sum product select this range again. Now close bracket and press enter, and here you get the result. 173 is the total of every third row value. If you manually add these, here you see total is 173 and our formula also calculated 173. Now you can go here in the fill handle and calculate for other columns here, and here you see sum of all the third row values is now calculated. So this is the process of calculating the sum of every nth sequence of row in Microsoft Excel. If you want to understand what is the role of every single formula here, then you can go below in the video description where you have a link of an article where you can learn the role of every single formula used here. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will again meet on next video tutorial.